1,000 models and 12,000 casts, with the most popular statues being naked women, animals, and naked men. Naturally. The casting atelier has for over 200 years reproduced sculptures based on original masterpieces. There is an incredibly small team working here, 7 in the casting workshop and only 3 in the printing. The chalcography atelier conserves and prints from a collection of engraved copper plates. These ateliers produce high-quality reproductions that serve museums, institutions, artists, designers, and also are made available to the public, combining heritage preservation with living craftsmanship. Though not directly a site for sustainable practices, it is a site for heritage. By keeping and maintaining a historical archive of thousands of molds and plates, the ateliers prevent loss of cultural heritage and enable reuse across generations, rather than relying on new raw creation. When reproductions are needed for museums, exhibitions, or for sale, they can reuse these existing molds/plates rather than creating from scratch every time. Thus, it is in fact a form of circular design. We then visited the Tissier and Tissier Atelier, which actually has a store near campus. Tissier and Tissier is a French design house founded by 2 women, Ségolène Prébois and Catherine Levy, who are the mastermind designers behind the brand, and Ségolène even gave us our tour. Immediately, I adored their charming designs and craftsmanship. One of their best sellers is their vase d'Avril, for good reason because I even wanted one. All production of their prototypes are done in-house in their Paris workshop, and they make careful consideration towards the manufacturers they use and materials, always prioritizing quality. Due to this ideal, everything they make is in smaller quantities, not mass-produced, ensuring honorable craftsmanship. Additionally, they say no 2 pieces are the same, demonstrating the uniqueness and originality of their designs. What I found really impressive was that they only have 1 product made from plastic, a lamp, and it was made from reused plastic, so still sustainable. Towards the end, we watched a craftsman make by hand this unique looking utensil used for grabbing things, which was very cute. This was probably one of my favorite visits. It was such a joy to speak with Ségolène and witness her passion for circular design. Knowing how much thought and effort goes into each piece designed by Tissier and Tissier makes them all the more desirable to me. As the name suggests, Studio Saint Lazare is situated in Saint Lazare. It is an art direction and graphic design studio based in Paris and New York. Their objective is to create branding for companies which tell a story. Immersive narratives that are timeless, appropriate, and specific to each company. Some of their previous clients include Hotel du Couvent, Nomade Hotels, and the chocolate brand De Beauve and Gallet. They consist of a relatively small team with specific roles, i.e. the creative director, the graphic designers, and the typographist, which we were fortunate enough to speak to. They made it clear that in this day and age, sustainability is not even a question. It is always a part of the conversation and implemented into their design process, whether spoken about or not. After visiting the graphic design studio, we walked 2 minutes to the architecture studio, which operates in a similar fashion. Here we were able to see the team working on 3D visuals for clients, as well as mood boards, which are an important start to each project. I loved how, for this company, sustainability is always accounted for, thus it is never forgotten about. It is not that everything must be done in a sustainable way. It just simply is done that way. At the end, they even let us take some matchboxes home, which was one of my highlights of this semester. For my second solo trip and last visit, I chose to see Riovant de Déchette, a photography exhibition hosted outside of Hotel de Ville. This exhibition aimed to highlight people who are taking action to repurpose waste, allowing for the continuation of an item's life, contributing to a circular economy. All around the